this is what happened. I was washing I was showering, and then I was going on to the next level to wash my hair, and this little fella actually jumped on my head while I was preparing myself, so the soap was not on my head yet. So when I turned on the shower head, he was still on there, right? So he started showering and he enjoyed himself. He spread his wings, you know, he was pushing his beak onto my arm, my hand, and all of a sudden he started flying, and then you realize that he could not fly because how wet he is. So he actually, you know, jumped inside this, so he was swimming on it for a while, and he still cannot fly. So I'm trying to repair this right now. And yes, I do shower with my cockatiel, because who else would I shower with? Okay. Oh, he's so wet, like a wet dog. Luckily, he recognizes the blow dryer, so he knows that it's for a good cause. There you go. Okay. Already better. Aww. Alright. Well, that's what's going on today with me.